Welcome to Get What Ball Rolling, a resource for understanding American English idioms used in academic presentations. How do you start an academic presentation? A few expressions are commonly used to start a presentation or introduce another speaker. Give the floor to is one of these introductory phrases. We all know that literally, the floor is the surface we walk on when inside buildings. You can use this expression when you are talking in front of an audience and you want to present a new speaker to the audience. This expression shows that you want to allow another specific person to speak in a polite way. Oftentimes, you hear it said in a way that indicates that a speaker will end his comments and the next speaker will speak. This lets the audience know that the first speaker's talk will not be long, helping the audience to focus its attention. Let's consider the following example. In a large auditorium, a guest speaker is introduced by a member of the host university. Before I give the floor to our honored guest speaker, I would remind you all to please switch off all electronic devices out of courtesy for everyone in attendance. With that said, please help me in welcoming tonight's speaker, Dr. Nelson Howard, Distinguished Physics Professor. In this way, the speaker let the audience know he will not be speaking for a long time and that Dr. Nelson Howard, the reason for the event, will be speaking soon. Other variations of this expression that you may hear are turn the floor over to. Thanks for listening to me. I will now turn the floor over to my teammate Brian. Turn it over to. If there are no further questions, I will turn it over to Samantha for our policy recommendations. Hand it over to. Now let's hand it over to President McGee to conclude our ceremony. Give you the floor. If you want to come and ask a question, please come to the front of the auditorium and I will give you the floor. The next time someone says they will give you the floor, you know they are not gifting you a piece of carpet. Thanks for watching, and have fun trying out these idioms.